Firefox is one of the few remaining browsers that is not based on Chromium. Instead, it uses Gecko rendering engine that is developed by Mozilla. It's free and open source, and the development is done by the community. To keep this video short, I will not go into more details. Maybe in another video. We'll see. Okay, whatever browser you have in your hand, fire it up. Go to mozilla.org. Now hover on Firefox browsers. Then on Firefox for desktop, let's click it. Normally, people will choose download Firefox straight away, but that is only downloading the stuff. What you want is the full version or the complete installer version. So choose this one instead. Let's click on it. Let's choose Firefox recommended. More often than not, you are using 64-bit Windows, unless you have less than 2 GB of RAM. You can choose your language here. In this case, we use English US. We are ready to download. Let's do it. Click on Download Now. Depends on your system settings. Your default will be Downloads folder. Let's click Save. Now, the waiting game begins. In my part of the world, I have to admit, my internet connection is extreme. Let's just patiently wait. It's done. Hover on the icon and click on it. Let's just click on this Show in Folder button. There you are. Let's just double click on it. It is extracting now. Just wait. You type in your password. On this, just click Next. Well, to make this simple, I'll just click Next. You can choose your installation folder, but for the moment, we will just choose Install. When you're ready, click Finish. Firefox is now open. You can set this as a default browser, or you can do it later. To make sure this works, let's search something. Okay, you have just downloaded and installed Firefox. Your Firefox installation is done. So, you may wonder why use the full installer or complete installer version instead of the stop installer. Well, stop requires an internet connection to complete the installation. There are situations where internet connection is not available. Doing stop installation on multiple PCs means you spend a lot of bandwidth, which translates to cost as well as time. All that can be offset by using the complete installer. There are times when I needed to repair a corrupted installation. Having the installation file available at all times makes me feel somewhat peaceful. Again, I'll keep this short, so thank you for watching.